Because I said there. And here are the watermelon. Look, she's eating so quickly. What the heck? You guys, you don't want it? I'm just gonna eat it. Oh, she's so quick to eat. She's so quick to eat. The heck? Oh no. Let's see with you. Okay. Up next, she's gonna eat an ice cream. What the heck? That's unhealthy food. The heck? No. She's gonna go to the hospital again because she eats too many sweets, candies, junk foods. What the heck? It just okay. Oh, hold on. Good then. Oh my gosh. Nah. Okay. What the heck is wrong with my time is almost off. No, that's okay. Nah, I'm not doing this anymore. See? Just eat that. I'm gonna use my hands. Done. See? And now for the upper, yummy, yummy, very yummy. This is my favorite pizza. Oh yeah, and there. Oh, you don't see anything. All right. So and she had. Do you think it's done? No, it's not done over yet. Of course, there's stay. So I got her a write in the comment section 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, it is a water. Done. Goodbye guys, see you tomorrow. I mean see you later. Bye.